Hello students of class 10, good morning to all of you. I am H.N. Chaudhary from Mahatma Gandhi Shikshan Sansthan and I am going to teach you English. Today I am going to start 5th chapter of your book First Flight and the name of the lesson is The 100 Dresses, part first, as this lesson is divided into two parts. So today we will start the 100 Dresses part first, written by L. Basar Esther. This is the name of the writer. Before starting, I would like to give you the outline of the story, the summary of the story. Wanda Petronsky. Wanda Petronsky was a Polish girl born in Poland who went to school with American children. Born in Poland, Wanda Petronsky had come to America and started her school with American children. She used to sit in a corner of room number 13, that was her classroom. And she used to sit in a corner where dull boys used to sit. She hardly spoke to anybody. She didn't have any friends, but many girls were fond talking to her. Although she remained quiet, talked very little, had no friends, but many girls were found talking to her. She was very poor. Wanda Petronsky was a poor girl. She always used to wear a faded blue dress. She had only one dress which we used to wear every day. There were some naughty girls in the class who used to make fun of her. Sometimes make fun of her dress, sometimes they used to make fun of their names. Their names were Peggy and Maddie. Peggy and Maddie were friends. Once Peggy asked Wanda how many dresses she had. Wanda replied that she had 100 dresses, all lined up in her closet. Peggy was a rich girl. She used to make fun of Wanda, but she was not cruel at heart. Peggy had started this game asking Wanda Petronsky how many dresses she had. And Wanda used to reply that she had 100 dresses. Peggy was not cruel, that's why she had always protected small children from bullies. Maddie, her friend, who was also a poor girl, like Wanda, and she used to wear old clothes, hand-me-down clothes that after wearing, people used to give to others. That is why she never used to make fun of Wanda. But she didn't stop others from making fun of Wanda. Once she tried to tell Peggy to stop teaching Wanda Petronsky, but thinking that Peggy would choose her as her next target, that's why she dared not to tell Peggy to stop teaching her. Peggy was very good at drawing also. She could draw the picture of any hero and heroine so that any person could say who it was. She used to teach Wanda while going and coming back from school. Wanda used to come to school alone and used to go home alone as she had no friends. She used to ask Wanda the same silly question every time. And whenever Wanda answered that she had 100 dresses lined up in her closet, they started laughing and teasing her. According to Peggy, Wanda Petronsky was a poor girl. That's why she used to wear same clothes every day. Every day. Then why did she say that she had 100 dresses? When she would reply the question, then all the girls used to laugh heartily at her. They used to teach her by asking as how many shoes, how many this and how many that she had. They used to ask her why she used to wear only that one dress when she had 100 in her closet. They even started asking her how many pairs of shoes she had. Due to this, Wanda stopped coming to the school. Wanda was fed up with such questions. That's why she stopped coming to school. The student didn't take much notice of it, as they thought that it was a normal thing for them. But when the result of the drawing competition was declared, in which girls were asked to draw designs of dress, and for boys the competition was to draw motorboats. Today the teacher was going to announce the result, name of the winners. That's why usually Wanda and Maddie used to wait for Peggy, but today they wanted to go school fastly as soon as possible. So when the result of the drawing competition was declared, Wanda came out to be the winner of the competition. When Maddie had said that as Peggy was the most liked girl in the school, that's why she would win the competition as she was very good in drawings. But in place of Peggy, Wanda won the drawing competition. Wanda had submitted 100 different designs, while other girls had submitted one or two. In the opinion of the judges, a single dress drawn by Wanda was sufficient to win the competition, and this girl had drawn 100 designs of dress. But Wanda was not present that day in the school. When all the students praised Wanda, when they were allowed to observe, to watch the paintings of Wanda, which were hanging on windowsill in the classroom, what to talk about girls? Boys also wanted that if they had such capability. But Wanda had not come to school that day. That's why they thought that it will be conveyed to her later. This is the ending of the 100 essays part first. Next day we will start the text. Have a nice day. Thanking all of you.